Hi, everybody. Right here, I have a big piece of chicken and some mashed potatoes with gravy. You see, when my mom was pouring the gravy on my mashed potatoes, she made a big mess of it almost all over my plate. But at least it's on the chicken. It should taste pretty good, anyways. So, everybody, I'll be right back in a second because I'm going to cut the chicken and I don't want to get the camera all messy. So, be back in a second. Okay, here goes nothing. Chicken with gravy on it. Careful, careful. Wow, at least that bite was pretty good. Now I'll try the next bite. Wow, that next bite was also pretty good. Now I want to try the mashed potatoes and gravy to see what they taste like. Okay, this may be a bit messy, but here goes nothing. Wow, that was not bad at all. I'll try another bite. Here I go again. Wow, the next bite was also good. How about one more bite? Wow, all those bites were pretty good, everybody. So everybody, please make sure to give this video a like and please stay subscribed for me, everybody. And that's all for now, everybody. So please stay tuned for more videos coming your way.